Well guys, I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time and show you the Cyclone that I have purchased, the Vevor SKL 300. I purchased this from the Vevor website with my own money, and I just thought I would show you what all comes with the unit and kind of explain what we have going on with this plywood setup here. So this Cyclone is a 4-inch, what they call a 4-inch, but it does come with a kit that will allow you to use this Cyclone with a shop vac. So there's 2 reducing ports, a 90, a couple of banding clamps, some tape. It does come with a gasket. I have installed the gasket on this piece of plywood between the Cyclone and the plywood. Then there's a reducer, and it looks to be a piece of pipe that you can connect everything together. It has some foam, I guess, to close up any gaps you might have. And then there's a bag of hardware with a wrench, and this hardware I'm sure is to be used to bolt the Cyclone to a steel lid or something like that. Now, I recently produced a short where I explained using PVC fittings and a reducing bushing to adapt a 4-inch piece of PVC drain pipe. Now this is for like your downspout gutter drains, not drain as in sewer drain in your house. So I cut a reducing bushing on my scroll saw, and that allows us to adapt straight to a 4-inch piece of PVC thin wall. As I said, I purchased this with my own money. It was around $68 with tax. It had free shipping. It came in a sizable box, as you can tell here. It works very well. I have sucked up a little bit of dust with it. It's actually a lot better than the Thein baffle that I had on my shop vac. So I'm really excited to get this installed and put it to use and hopefully have a much cleaner and dust-free shop. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one.